have been meaning to clean your room or anything like that and you've been too lazy, this is it. And I always like have a moment where I'm really depressed. Well, why am I out of breath? Definitely need to hit the gym. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Oh my God, wow. See, like, look how clean and pretty this is. Hi, welcome to a vlog. Yo, I'm vlogging every single day now, by the way, if you don't know. I post every single day. I clean my house, and I know I just posted a cleaning vlog not too long ago, but I've been traveling and then I came back and then I just didn't clean up. But also, I've just been stressing and doing nothing with my life for the past, like, what, I don't know, week, because I don't know what I'm doing with my life exactly, and I know that might sound like contradicting since all my videos are like positivity, but y'all, I'm having a fucking mental breakdown. Why? Because, I mean, I can't even explain much because I don't even know what I'm doing, but basically, I have to go somewhere that's not the US because I have lived here for a year and my stay is like coming to an end. My house is messy and I probably should be like packing my house up, but I don't know where I'm going, so I'm not gonna pack my house up. But maybe these daily vlogs is gonna be me packing my house up. But for now, I'm just gonna clean my house. Also, if these like daily vlogs are like less like over edited and stuff, it's because I have no one to talk to. And I thought I would like treat y'all like my best friends and just talk to y'all instead and talk to you guys about my problems because I currently don't have a therapist, which I am gonna get one. Like I'm in the process because I'm not mentally okay. And I don't wanna call my friends because I'm sure they're sick of my shit. At least like the booty looking fat though, kind of. All I ate today were cookies, yo. I was supposed to wake up today and like get my day started, but instead I woke up at 7:30, opened my eyes, went back to bed, and then I woke up at 10:30, right? And then I was supposed to like clean my house and be productive because I have a guest coming over to stay at 8:30. But instead I just like sat around and watched cooking videos all day, and I saw cooking videos about cookies and stuff, so then I craved cookies, so then I drove to the gas station and bought cookies and ate cookies and ice cream by myself. Well, with my dog. I don't know why I said by myself, like I give a I do everything by myself anyway. And then I took a nap for 20 minutes. And I actually woke up from a nap. Y'all ever like set an alarm for a nap but never wake up? Because me. I should probably eat something because like if I don't eat, my booty literally deflates. Y'all relate? No? Okay. Oh, I went on a walk this morning though. I probably should like go to the gym and like walk on the treadmill for a little bit before my friend comes over and stays. They're coming from London. These vlogs are gonna be so long and just filled with nonsense. I'm so sorry. It's currently 5 o'clock. So that means we have 2 hours and 45 minutes to clean my entire house. Let me show you the before. All right, this is the kitchen. I need to take out the trash. The dishes are building up. Yo, before any of y'all yell at me, I'm like going through a phase right now where I'm like, am I depressed or just going through it? Future editing my coming in, I got myself out of it. I like started a routine and everything and I'm a lot better now. But I think I'm just like going through it right now and it's not me being depressed because like every single year for some reason I always like have a moment where I'm really depressed, but I'm trying to avoid it at all costs and I think I'm doing a good job. Like, the fact that I'm cleaning is really good, you know? We're evolving as humans, guys. I say we're, but it's just like, I don't know, actually. I've been alone for too long. I have like trash there to take out. Like I ate today and I just left it there. Like, bruh, I'm so sorry, Sterling. You have to live in this filth. What the f is this? And then also, like, what is this? Oh my God, y'all see what I mean though? Like I have to move, but like I don't know where I'm moving. So like I don't actually want to move, but like I have to move. We have that laundry and then a whole ass suitcase over there. Basically, if you need motivation this whole week, my channel is gonna be your go-to because I'm gonna be decluttering and moving my entire house every single day. So I guess this week is gonna be dedicated to cleaning vlogs, but I know y'all love that. So I have posters I've been meaning to put up. Whoa, why am I out of breath? Definitely need to hit the gym. But I didn't put them up because I'm gonna be moving. So I'm like, cool. So I bought all these posters for literally no reason. My room isn't too bad. My bathroom is a freaking mess. My closet is a mess. This is the room my friend's gonna stay in, but I haven't even cleaned up since my last friend left, so let's get the shit. Let's kill the shit. What is the TikTok? Top of the morning, top of the morning. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Like, you know how hard it is to wake up every day and feel motivated when you don't even know where you're gonna live the next week? Like, no, that sounds so bad. I'm so grateful to be like stressed out about where I'm gonna live. And the reason why I'm so stressed out about where I'm gonna live is because I have so many options. You know, where I'm like, oh, I don't know if I can live in this city or if I should live in this city. And if I, like, I'm so grateful for that. That sounded so bad. That sounded like I didn't have a roof over my head or something. I do clearly have a very nice roof over my head. I'm currently going through like decision fatigue, and making decisions is like one of the tiring things that like you can do in your brain. I don't know how to explain it, but science. Yo, why do I feel like I'm on FaceTime right now? I haven't like let this all out because I haven't told any of my friends this because like in my head I'm like, why would they care? So I actually feel like you're my best friend right now. I mean, you are though. If you have been meaning to clean your room or anything like that and you've been too lazy, this is it. Yo, I hate being hungry with the bread and passion. Like folding laundry is the worst thing ever. And that's why it's just piled up in my closet. Does time ever fly by so fast that you're like, oh my god, I thought I had my period yesterday. Why did I get it again? Why did I tell you that? I don't know. But like I was gonna put it on my Spam account story, but then I thought maybe it's a little bit too live, but now I'm talking to YouTube where even more people watch me. I literally got my period and I was like, oh my god, am I so stressed out that I got my period? And I started Google searching it, and then I realized that when you're really stressed out, you don't get your period again like too soon. You lose your period. So then I was like, wait, am I just like on my period again? I was like really thinking hard on when the last time I got my period was. And then I realized time flew by. Time is going by so fast, it's scary. Like, does time go by faster as you grow old? As you grow old, I'm acting like I'm a f***ing grandpa. Well, sucks to suck. I can deal with that later. I'm like, why do I have so many goddamn throw pillows? Like, I'm just gonna donate these because I don't need them. Like, I had a roommate before, so she has her pillows, and then I had extra pillows, and we just have so many goddamn pillows for no reason. Bruh. Like, do I need big black garbage bags or something? These are most definitely not just gonna, like, fit. Alright, this is what the room is looking like. I just gotta, I gotta wait for the bedding to wash. So I literally tried to make food this morning, but for some reason I couldn't eat it. Like my appetite said no. I never had this problem before. Like, am I that stressed out that like I actually can't even eat? Like that's so bad. Something I will not miss about this house though, because I love it, except for whenever it's night, like I feel like this house is so eerie and like not homey. I hate it. It makes me just want to curl up and die. No? Okay. Anyways, I gotta do the dishes. I don't want to. Maybe I'll like light a candle for the ambiance. Okay. To be honest, I don't even know what's here. I'm just gonna try to make it look pretty. Morning, it is the next day. I still haven't finished cleaning yet. I have to finish cleaning my bedroom. This shit is so messy and cluttered. I'm like gonna get rid of a bunch of stuff when I actually like move out, which is gonna be in like maybe a couple days or so. I don't even know. For now, I'm just gonna like put things in places and like hope it looks okay. But that's like better than doing nothing, you know what I mean? But I haven't made my bed this morning, so we're gonna start with that because I feel like that like, it like tricks your brain into like thinking that you're like productive, right?
Life you get to clean and make videos about it.
Make sure to subscribe. I love everybody that supports me. Alright, now let's organize my books. Yes, because I'm like a girl that like reads books. Oh my god, we love like a smart girl that like stays educated and like stays in school.
Child. Anyway, so
I love being like that girl. You know, like I read books. Like I'm smart. Pick me. Not gonna lie though, the other day, I actually did read a book. Like a fiction book for the first time in a long time. Because usually I read like self-help books. Because I really need it. The other day, I read a fiction book for the first time in like 5 years. And like I actually sat there at like 6 p.m. and read the whole book until like 11 o'clock. And I like didn't touch my phone. I'm so proud of myself. Fiction books are kind of dangerous though, because it's like you romanticize your life and like you create like imaginary characters in your head, and I just feel like it's a lot of brain power to like think about things that don't actually exist. But I mean, like I guess it's good for the imagination. I know that that shit doesn't actually exist, so it's just like setting expectations and then being disappointed. But they're like fun, I guess. bad. I just like procrastinated and like sat on my phone on the toilet for like 10 minutes. Y'all ever do that? I was reading my comments. Actually, like I was actually reading my comments. Y'all are so cute. Lately, all my comments have been like paragraphs and I'm kind of loving it because like I love the comments where it's just like hi Mai. But like y'all see this? Okay, clearly I read all my comments because look at this. I like liked every single one. Like y'all are commenting like sentences and those are my favorite ones to read because I'm like, wait, you guys like took time to like write this out? You guys actually care about me? Wow, that's so crazy because to me, I'm like, I post these videos and I don't realize that people actually know about my life, you know? Like, I can't believe people care. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know about you, but like I can't function whenever my house is messy. Like all of a sudden I'm depressed and I don't want to get out of bed. But that's been me like for the past week. But then today I decided like today was gonna be a good day and I wasn't gonna like stay in bed all day. Hashtag motivated. Hashtag that girl. I knew that was gonna happen. All right, now moving on to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. All right, I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna tell myself that I can't go on my phone until I clean this. But like it's not actually clean clearly because look at the mirrors. But like if I'm moving, like I'm gonna do a deep clean anyway, so like do I really care? Not really, because the only person seeing it is me. I mean, except for you now. So I put effort in, okay? Like it's better than not doing anything, but this is what this looks like. Wash that. Wow, clean toilet. This not clean because look at all the shoes that I have to like display back up, but like at least it's looks clean. This is the room. Probably should vacuum, but like I don't care enough because like I have this mentality that like I'll do it later. Wow. Look, no more dust. Got all of our books in place. Wow. Also, my bedding has bleach stains on it, but I just don't want to buy new bedding. But wow. From afar, this looks really great. Like, I'm proud of myself. Oh, I still need a vacuum. No, I don't. Doesn't matter that. This is the issue, though. Because y'all see all these clothes. They're all clean. But, like, I just don't want to hang them up. Holy shit. This looks like a fucking mess. I have too many clothes. I'm gonna have to pack them up anyways, you know? I'll see why I'm not buying any more clothes. Like, I haven't bought new clothes in a long time. Clean. Wow. No more dust. Actually, there's dust. But, look at this. Oh my god, wait, it looks messy because we're working right now, but it is clean, I promise. Like, it really, oh, this does not look clean. I'm so sorry. You see? Wow. Right? Wow. Clean. No dirty crumbs everywhere. And look at this. Clean. Clean the couch. There's like nothing on the coffee table. Wow. Look, I kind of cleaned this area up. I like organized this area. And then, what the f are you doing down here?
No, stop, I'm stressed.
Okay, and then look at this. I cleared this all out, but like all that stuff there, I have to like give to Goodwill, but it's all in the corner, okay?
Oh my god.
We love a clean and productive queen. Why are you sitting down here?
I needed some space from you. I've had enough of you.
It's only been like 20, not even 24 hours. Okay, I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep now.
I'm kidding.
Hi, Sterling, you're so cute. Oh my god, wow. See, like, look how clean and pretty this looks. Oh my god, I still have to water my plants. Let me do that. Because like, if I don't do it now, I'm just gonna put it off and all my plants are gonna die. Oh my god, we love a man that helps.
It's raining and leaves.
I don't know how I'm gonna leave this house. Like, I'm gonna just...
leave this house?
Like, look at these plants. Like, I literally... I just want to come in and say that the 2 giveaway winners for these 2 Tula skincare sets is Haley and Darkan. There were so many people that commented and didn't comment their Instagram, so I couldn't contact them or anything. So make sure if you're commenting, make it a habit to just add your Instagram at the end of the comment so that you can be entered. It's that easy. In this video, I'm going to be giving away this Origins Mary mask. It's like 5 mini masks. And if you don't know, I'm giving away a Sephora set in every single one of my videos. And 3 iPhones. I just haven't uploaded the video for that yet, but I am giving away 3 iPhones. All you have to do is be subscribed, follow my Instagram at maiphammy, and then just comment something down below, anything. Add your Instagram at the end of it so I can reach out to you. I just want to give back to you guys this holiday season. Instagram story shout out of the day goes to Mommy Dearest. She just put on her story, my family is the reason why I started YouTube. If you guys want to be a part of this, all you have to do is just like take a picture or a screenshot of you watching me in the morning or whatever for Vlogmas and then post it on your story, tag me, and then I'll repost, and then also I could shout you out, possibly. The winner. Actually, the morning of December 2nd right now that I'm filming this. So good morning. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas and I hope you have a good rest of your day at school or work or whatever it is. I love you. Bye.
East and the west, racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much.
I'm eating muscles for the first time. Alright, this is the look.
She should get a studio in New York.
It's kind of getting like Bratz doll moment. My room, not a vibe. Big shaky booty. Can you tell that like I love life? She's like a runner. She's a track star.